Alright, hi. Like, subscribe, win a high five. This is the African Crypto Warlord Show. Today we'll be looking at SOFI. We'll be breaking it down from the 90-minute to the 15-minute. We will see whether it is a breakout or a fakeout. Yeah, SOFI does look like it's pretty strong in comparison to the others. Shit, dude, this thing recovered and set a new high after last week's dump. Bullish. Let's see if there's anything that can keep it bullish, because there's a very fine line between fake out and breakout, and we've been able to define it. You'll see it's on the 15-minute. It's going to be a toughie. But hey, that's the job. Okay, 90-day, nothing of interest as we don't have a cone. 45-day, same, no cone. And then 21-day, same, no cone. And 14 days, same, no cone. And then I think we get the first one on 7-day. So anything above, just call it $17.40, still bullish. Reclaim $17.40. Just look for $7.50. Here, 5-day, pretty good. Hold above the mean, bullish. What can we see? Both pink lines are above the mean. So the negative probability has a positive skew on it. That's kind of bullish. The general idea being is hold above 1885. Groovy. When do we start looking for downside? Longer term, I'd imagine 21. I just say 22 cents. Anything $22. Anything below $22, I'm gonna say look for downside. Where do I think price discovery might come from? Any breaking out above, as you can see, the pink and the blue line on the left and right pretty much match each other. So we'll just bring it up a little higher. We'll just say any breaking above 26. If you can hold above 26 on all the lower term time frames, all the way down to the 15, it will have a massive pump. Okay. Then here, same thing. It's kind of trying its best to ride inside the 3-day cone. So the bottom side of the 3-day cone will be printing at about $22.70 tomorrow. On the next 3-day print, but it will take some time to get there, I guess. And yeah, you fail that topside target, you're looking for $15.12. 24 hours, same effect. Pretty much holding above, just call it $19. What can we say? It's going up. If it fails that $19 target, we're looking for $10.50. Now we're going to start getting a little bit closer. So here's a catch 22, but this cone is still in here. Where's its probability? It's kind of easier just to overlay them. Okay, so the blue line, the bottom left-hand side of your screen, blue line is matching the bottom side of the cone. That's at $3.33, which is all right. But now why do I want to bring this crazy target in? Because any failures of here at $16 and $23 naturally will want to bring it down to $3. It's a big move. I know. It is what it is. How they do it, I don't know, if they're going to share split or whatever, but that number's in the books. So I'll watch that with share split. Okay, oh wait, let's just go back to 12-hour. Anything for the 12-hour to back that 15-minute, because it's going to have to hold its mean for price discovery on the 15-minute. 23.40. This is getting very tight here because it is at the top side of the cones, but it is looking bullish. So I'm going to leave it with the benefit of the doubt. So anything above 23.32, bullish. Anything below there, I look for $16, like pretty quickly. Here, 6-hour, this one's all right. So its journey is to $34. It has maintained that journey quite comfortably through here, as you can see, into mean reversion on the right hand side of your screen. So $34 again, but initially $30, and I would imagine that is a higher high for this coin, for this shit stock. Okay, so 23 to 30 and 23.45 to 19 would be about as wide as you get. Any continuation above pretty much where it's at now, we are looking for $26. It will be the closest one to us. So it will be a 26. It's this top side. So hold above here. We're looking for 26.90. I need to remember that number for the 15-minute. Okay, 3-hour. 3 hours very important. Any closes below this line will match up with our 15-minute cone, and it gets rather drastic. But then it closed above this line, also rather drastic. But anyway, $20, $25.23. It's my line in the sand. Price discovery, oh, it's the previous high. No shit. But it's a probability. Yeah, any holding above there, we're bullish. It would mean that it would allow price action to move on to price discovery mode. Okay, so 25.22, fail there. We do look for, where's the closest one? 23.80. Quite a big range, but big dildos. His homies are like, stocks are not volatile. Like, look at this thing. Look at that thing. Thing's moving like 10%, bro. Like, come on. Way more. It's like fucking 25%. Okay, let's get back to this. So where's the 90-minute cone? 90-minute cone. Top side of the 90-minute cone, 23.57. More than likely come down, touch in that 23.50, call it 23.60 range, and try put in a bounce. Anything off, if it doesn't put in a bounce there, I'll be kind of bearish. Oh, what am I looking for here? I'm honestly looking for these topside probabilities, man. They just keep on speaking to me. But here on the 90-day, which you can see, I'll zoom in here. Every time, like, is this the one? Or is it the 45-minute? I think it's the 45-minute. But you'll see these things. Every time they come into the lines, volatile candles. So here, 45-day. Where's our channel? No shot of whiskey. This one. Yeah. Okay, sorry, I did get tweaking. All right, so 45-day I think is going to help us a lot more on SOFI, given it's a cheaper price of an asset. Let's go hold inside the top side, hold the bottom side of the cone. It's pretty fucking useful. You're going to hold the bottom side of the cone, 21.40. You hold the bottom side of the cone, you're going to $32.45. Pretty crazy. Now, the only way you're going to get there, and you'll see the catch-22 on the breakout of Fakeout, you have to hold above 25.40. So we saw that target come up on previous time frames. So you got to hold above there, because if you don't, you can see what happens. Touch the pink, go to blue. Multiple times. Anyway, the cone is doing its job, blue to blue, as you can see, literally blue to blue. It's like blue, fail, blue, blue. Hold above blue, mean, cool, was trying for pink or blue, mean, back to blue. Play in the range, get above blue, and you start pushing for, remember, we hit this, we still hit that blue. So it's not like it's not in the book. And that blue's at $29.43. So anything above $25.40, I do look for an insane breakout very quickly for SOFI to the upside. If it does come to 25.40 cents, we can see the natural thing, and it's like put in hidden bull div or something here to get into the mean. But anyway, we can see if we do fail 25.40 cents, I'll be polite, 23.60 cents to 22.30 cents. All right, 15-minute, here you go. I swear I don't adjust these cones to make them look nice. Here, I'll prove it to you. It's like so random. Okay, there you go. It should be in the right place. It is. Okay, phew, it got me panicking. Okay, yeah, so she's in the right place. It's zero volatilities. As we can see, if we can escape this cone here, 25.14, make or break time. If we close above there, pretty easy to say we're going up. Okay, price discovery into 25.67, and you can see that if we do get that, there is a probability level over here in which we can put in bullishness. Now, what would I expect during pre-market on this 15-minute? I want to see this. I want to see pre-market above. That'd be the easiest way to know if this thing's going to pump on open. 25.14. So if pre-market can actually stabilize above 25.14, that could be very interesting, because then the move has begun before the day has even started. The week has even started. Anyway, here, oh, that cone looked like it adjusted. It did, so it broke. Okay, I'm not going to play that cone. That's the 1-minute cone, so don't worry about it. But there you go. You have some semi-definitive targets. I wish the cones were a little bit closer, so that we could have a lot more accurate data, because as you can see, it's closing so close to the lines. So my brain's pretty much picking off, pre-market play. And then I'd imagine for pre-market, if it's below $25.07, it's bearish. If you found this information helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want access to these kick-ass cool tools, you will see the name of Alpha Trading Tools. So their Discord link is below in the description of this video. Much power. Stay fucking well.